Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade jelly nails. Begin by cleaning nails, pushing cuticles, and lightly buffing the surface to remove shine. Apply a thin base coat and wait 60 seconds before the next step. Use sheer colored polish thinned with clear jelly or 3 to 4 thin coats, letting each layer dry before adding the next to preserve translucency and smooth finish. Gather tools to streamline the process and achieve a salon look at home. Use translucent jelly polishes or dilute a small amount of pigment with clear polish to make custom shades. Have a thin detail brush and lint-free wipes ready to tidy edges, plus acetone-free remover to protect layers. Keep a fast-drying top coat on hand and consider fine glitter or holo flakes to suspend between layers for dimensional shine. Work slowly to build translucency without bulk by applying very thin coats and allowing each to dry fully. Start with one thin base coat, then paint 3 to 4 ultra-thin coats of your jelly color, waiting until tacky has passed before the next layer. If using glitter, place it between coats. Seal with a glossy top coat, wipe excess around cuticles with a small brush dipped in remover, and let nails dry completely for a long-lasting finish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.